Hey guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss how to use scripting manifestation examples along with the law of attraction to manifest what you want in life. Before we get started, if you want to get the quick access to this scripting manifestation program, then click the link in the description below. What is scripting? Scripting is the most powerful and advanced law of attraction techniques called scripting. When everything is correct, the output is mind-blowing. That may be the most powerful attraction tool. You can place scripting as a technique to explain your life as if you before had what you want to manifest. Do you get a new job? Explain how your first day at that fave job like sound good. Do you get a 7-figure salary? Do you get a life partner? Explain how life with them looks good. Write down and tell the whole story, like how your first date and honeymoon was. When you write all these things, you can tell other people. It's all about your feeling in these moments. It's called scripting. For example, imagine sitting down, writing a script for your life, and then moving a movie cinema where the script got to life. What if the situations you write became your truth? The good chances that's in the face of you is to select what make of existence you land in carefully. You want to choose which truth becomes the one you live, feel good, and share with others like friends/family and social platforms. Can you imagine if you have a dream pen that could deliver everything you wanted in life? Well, you don't need a dream pen because your old pen will work well to help you write the life of your dreams. Top 5 Best Way to Use Scripting Manifestation. 1. Start by being good. See, when you start writing this story in script, first feel it, think, and more think, ask yourself. 2. Use the present tense. It is an important thing. When you are writing or scripting, you want to act as if you already knowing what you wish to explain. For example, when you want to explain to your new house like a new car, then you write a story. Like, how does it feel when you go to buy a new car, and you sit in the car on the new seat and explain what you are feeling. When scripting, imagine about yourself in the future and manifest how the future feels like good. 3. Give as good as you can. First of all, when scripting, as good a statement as you can make. Ask yourself. Explain more details. Try to dig deep and explain all the things about your topic. Try asking yourself. 1. What are you doing today? 2. What are you wearing today? 3. What are you feeling? 4. Where are you, and who are you with? 4. Include feelings. It is an important thing in your scripting. First, you don't explain anything and explain when you don't have any feelings about the topic. Emotions are a big deep part of the law of attraction. It would be best if you rotated on about what you are scripting by including your emotions. Try asking yourself. 1. How does it feel this person treat you? 2. How does it feel this person make me feel? How does it feel this person has a kind of interest? How does it feel when this person has physical features? 5. Focus on what you want. Focus is an important thing when you are scripting. Like, what you want rather than on what you don't want. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and get the scripting law of attraction by just clicking the link in the description below.